Dhanyawad, right. So, okay, nice to meet you, and we are just going to enter into the Taj Mahal. So, nice to meet you.
Where do you come from?
Yeah, I came from Lucknow. You know
Lucknow.
Lucknow?
It's a town in
Have you ever heard the Lucknow?
Lucknow. Is
It
the
is a-
motorway is going there.
Right. On the way, it is on the way. So, we came from Lucknow.
So greetings to Lucknow.
Do you know the culture of India? How was your experience here? How was your experience? It was good.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there any different Germany, India? What is the difference?
No, it's just the same.
Okay. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Talk to
Maybe
you.
traffic on the streets is a little bit different.
May I know your name, please?
Ellie.
LA.
Yeah.
How is the culture of India?
Yeah, it's good. Everyone's very nice.
Is there any difference between the England and India cultures?
Yeah, lots of differences.
Tell me that. Could you explain something?
The difference between England and India culture.
Okay.
They're
Actually,
very calm and peaceful
India?
people in India, yeah.
And
Spiritual
how's your
people.
expression like? How's your experience about the people like? How they
Everyone's
interact with you and
Very nice to
very
us.
nice. Yeah.
Is
Right.
there any difference Indian people and
I think they're
England
nicer
people?
than English people.
Will you recommended our friends or family member come to back
Yeah,
of them?
definitely.
Okay,
yeah.
thank you
yeah.
so much.
Oh,
Thank
okay. It is your first experience here?
No, I've been to India for 30 years.
30 years.
But the first time to the Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal.
Yeah.
How is it looking here
It's
actually?
immense, it's beautiful.
Oh my God,
what is
really?
the difference between Indian people and like
Indian people are
England people?
wonderful. Yeah, I have all good experiences.
Like
Okay.
friendly, yeah?
Yeah, absolutely. Very
Do you know
friendly.
Hindi? Something like Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. Dhanyawad. Could you pronounce it Namaste?
Namaste.
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 And Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad.
Do you know Dhanyawad?
No.
It is thank you.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I thought Shukriya.
Yeah, Shukriya. It's kind of
And
Shukriya.
you are from England?
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell me what is the difference between England and India
It's
culture?
much hotter in England.
If I
want
want to come in England, which place should I visit?
We should visit there.
Manchester.
Place should I visit?
London and Manchester.
Manchester.
Oh, Manchester.
Okay,
that's
I
it.
have to go.
Okay. Thank you so much. It was nice.
No, first time we also.
Yes, guys. What are you doing here? What are you doing? What are you doing here?
Tanzania and India.
What is the difference?
Yes.
There are many differences.
Like people, Indian people, how
We speak a different language. Yeah.
Indian people are very friendly.
You are friendly, but we are also friendly. Yes, yes.
Right.
You are so right.
And
We want to know the culture of that Tanzania. You are from Tanzania, right?
Yes.
So I want to know the culture. We want to know your culture, like.
We have a beautiful culture. I don't know what to say. We have a beautiful culture.
Is there
We
any
mix
like a
people,
famous
so-
festival or something? Is there any famous festival? What we call?
You know, Tanzania has a lot of Indians.
Oh, right.
Yeah, it has a big Gujarati Indian community. They
Oh.
live there. So there's a lot of influence from the Indian culture in Tanzania.
if I want to come in Tanzania, which place should I visit
Ah,
there?
Go to the capital, Dar es Salaam.
Dar es Salaam.
Dodoma is the capital.
Dodoma.
Main city is Dar es Salaam. You can even move to Zanzibar, which is the island for Tanzania. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Nice to talk to you.
Any other like Dhanyawad? You don't know? Thank you. Dhanyawad. In Hindi we say Dhanyawad. Dhanyawad. Yeah, he wants to talk to you. Actually, he wants to know the Japanese people. Actually, he's his lover. Oh. Yeah, he wants to talk to you. Yes, Mr. Hus, do you want to talk to? Yes. Yeah. You can talk.
Hello, sir. Where are you from?
I'm from
Actually, don't use this mobile.
Tokyo.
Don't use. I yes.
How do you like the Taj?
A very big and white, beautiful tower.
Can I know your good name?
I'm Hiroaki.
Akiraki.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. How long you stay you from India?
About 6 days.
Oh.
Yeah.
Tell me some memorable things you have in India.
Let's see. First day we ate curry and very spicy. And
Oh, do you like Indian food?
Yes.
Tell me some food's name.
Huh?
Tell me some food's name.
Dal.
Dal. We say dal. Roti.
Roti.
Say pronunciation roti.
Roti.
Yeah.
Also Maserati. I like.
Oh, you say the name of kachori,
Kachori. I don't know.
shamosha.
Samosa. Yeah.
Actually, there is one famous like puri.
Puri.
It is a Pecha in Agra. It is a famous. I don't know puri.
Is this the first time?
Oh, sorry.
If like we want to like visit Japan, where should we go first?
Oh, let's see. Maybe
I think you should go to the first Tokyo.
Tokyo.
If I want to visit in Japan, and there is one place I want to visit, Shibuya-yu. It is so beautiful, Anna.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
should I
How is
visit
it?
there?
Yes.
How is it? Shibuya-yu.
Chiba is
Very crowded.
very
Very
crowded.
crowded.
Many
It is so
people, yeah.
developed. It is so developed.
yes.
How's the behavior of the Indian people? How's they talk, they interact with you? Like,
Oh.
like
How we are?
interacting
How
here.
we are?
I think very friendly.
Very
Yeah.
friendly.
Very friendly they are.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. It was
Thank
nice
you.
to
Thank you.
Okay.
পাগলি রে তুই প্রেম শিখাইয়া পাগল বানাইলি দেহ থইয়া কেন রে তুই মনটা পোড়াইলি পাগলি রে তুই প্রেম শিখাইয়া পাগল বানাইলি দেহ থইয়া কেন রে তুই মনটা পোড়াইলি এখন আমার মনটা পুরে কয়লা হয়েছে জানি না রে কাহার প্রেমে মুগ্ধ রয়েছি পাগলি রে তুই প্রেম শিখাইয়া পাগল বানাইলি দেহ তুইয়া কেন রে তুই মনটা পোড়াইলি কেউ পুরে প্রেম আগুনে কেউ বা তুষের আগুন প্রেম আগুনে মন পুরে যার চলে আরো দ্বিগুণ কেউ পুরে প্রেম আগুনে কেউ বা তুষের আগুন প্রেম আগুনে মন পুরে যার চলে আরো দ্বিগুণ কোন আগুনে পুরাইলি তুই করলি বেইমানি দেহ তুইয়া কেন রে তুই মনটা পোড়াইলি পাগলি রে তুই প্রেম শিখাইয়া পাগল বানাইলি দেহ তুইয়া কেন রে তুই মনটা পোড়াইলি প্রেমের আগুন যার অন্তরে সেই জানে তার ব্যথা পাগল হইয়া পাগল বেশে কয় যে প্রেমের কথা প্রেমের আগুন যার অন্তরে সেই জানে তার ব্যথা পাগল হইয়া পাগল বেশে কয় যে প্রেমের কথা সেই অন্তরে আঘাত দিবি আগে বুঝিনি দেহ তুইয়া কেন রে তুই মনটা পোড়াইলি পাগলি রে তুই প্রেম শিখাইয়া পাগল বানাইলি দেহ তুইয়া কেন রে তুই মনটা পোড়াইলি হা 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 লা 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 লা